Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get free gift and free stuff on Temu. Now you can see right now I have a free gift. It's a 25-in-1 precision screwdriver set, multifunction repair tools for mobile phone and tablet disassembly. Now you can see it used to be $56, but now it's only $0 or it's free, right? And you can see it's pretty good. It's not bad. You can see it's pretty good, right? So the way you can get this is that you can scan the QR code on the screen right now to get this item from the Temu app. But you can see it has some prerequisites, like it's only a new app user and it's only with qualifying orders, right? If you can't scan this QR code, you can also type in my link address. Just type in bit.ly/Temu free and then just click on enter, and then it'll redirect you into this website, the 25-in-1 precision screwdriver set, the exact same website I just showed you earlier. So remember, just scan this QR code here, and then it's for new app users and also with qualifying orders. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.